Hello everyone, this is your friend Biryani from Yummy Mummy Biryani. It is summertime and everybody loves to eat cold stuff. But ice creams and popsicles that are found in stores contain lot of preservatives and are unhealthy. That is why this summer I decided to make my own popsicles. First, I took a mold. You can use a steel glass if you don't have a mold. Then I put some orange juice and watermelon juice in the molds. You can experiment with other types of flavors if you want. Then I kept it in the freezer and I waited for 6 hours. It felt like time passed so slowly. When I opened the freezer, I saw that my popsicles were so beautiful. When I took them to my mother and my mother helped me take them out from the mold, when I first put the watermelon popsicle into my mouth, I was taken aback and I was surprised. It was so delicious and it was yummy. I thought that I would never buy store-bought ice creams again. Then when I tried the Tang one, it was so good too. It was the best ice cream popsicle I have ever eaten. My mother also tried it and she told me that it reminded her of her childhood. That is why I recommend that this summer you try to make your own popsicles at home. And these popsicles are healthy and they don't contain any preservatives. Thank you. Bye. See you in our next video.